When you think of massive stock crashes, you expect it to be triggered by market trends, economic slowdown, or maybe an earnings miss. But what if the real reason is something far more dangerous, like forged documents, unchecked conflicts of interest, and poor corporate governance? That's exactly what's unfolded in the case of Gensol Engineering and its closely tied affiliate BluSmart Mobility, a combined 6,000 crore story gone wrong. So let's break it down in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. So not long ago, Gensol was riding the EV wave with a market cap of 6,700 crore, a lofty PE ratio of 65x, big investor hopes around its EV leasing arm, especially with BluSmart. Fast forward to today, market cap plunged to 750 crores, an 89% fall. PE ratio compressed to 7x, a sign that investor trust has evaporated. Debt to equity at 3.2x, which is an excessive leverage, and credit rating slashed to junk. This wasn't just a valuation correction, it was a total collapse in trust. According to SEBI's findings, Gensol submitted fake documents to rating agencies, misrepresented timely debt repayments, and painted a false picture of financial health. This isn't a small clerical error, it's deliberate deception. Why this is a huge red flag? Credit ratings influence investments, loans, and bond pricing, and forged repayment data is fraudulent manipulation that misleads not only investors but also banks and institutions. So here's where it gets messier. Gensol wasn't just a supplier, it was BluSmart's primary EV leasing partner. So 67% of BluSmart's EV fleet was leased from Gensol. So Gensol's financial instability jeopardized BluSmart's operations. So SEBI flagged this related party risk, which the board failed to mitigate. This is a classic case of contagion risk. When one company's collapse pulls down another with it. On the surface, BluSmart was a rising EV star. 25 million rides completed, a run rate of 790 crores in revenue, rapid expansion in India's EV ride-hailing space. But dig deeper and the red flags multiplied, like losses of 215 crores in FY23, a monthly burn rate of 18 crore, delayed government subsidies, CEO exit, and executive churn. So what looked like a unicorn in the making was in reality a cash burning mission tied to a sinking ship. SEBI didn't mince words. Their description, governance at Gensol was completely broken, and that's not hyperbole, it's a reality check. So here's how the system failed investors. No board oversight on intercompany dealings. Number 2, audit committee failed to deduct forged documents. Number 3, internal controls bypassed with alarming ease. And number 4, complex related party transactions masked the true financial health. And number 5, no visibility on how cash was used or where capital was allocated. For mid and small cap investors, these are non-negotiable red flags. If any one of these shows up in a company you hold, it's a signal to reassess immediately. So the collapse wasn't a bolt from the blue, the warnings were there. So here's what investors either ignored or didn't bother checking. First, SEBI penalties. These are always publicly available. Number 2, debt restructuring, a clear sign of stress. Investigate why. Number 3, BluSmart's high burn rate plus delayed funding, solvency red alert. Number 4, weak governance practices. Oversight gaps are never minor. And number 5, promoter behavior. Selling shares during a price rally is suspicious. So these aren't advanced forensic tools, they are basic due diligence filters, and they apply to retail investors just as much as institutions. So what happens when you overlook governance? Answer: a 6,000 crore hole in the market cap. And that's just on the listed side. Add in the private capital risk in BluSmart and the damage is even deeper. This isn't just about Gensol. It's a cautionary tale for every high growth, high burn stock that dazzles with a narrative but hides the numbers. When governance fails, valuation becomes meaningless. So let's face it, not every investor can spend hours doing forensic accounting or chasing down promoter disclosures. That's where mutual funds step in, not just as an investment but as a layer of protection. So here's what they bring to the table. First, professional due diligence. Fund managers with teams and tools. Number two, built-in diversification. No single stock disaster can wipe you out. Number three, better governance screening. So funds often avoid questionable promoters. And number four, regulatory transparency. You can track performance and holdings easily. So whether you prefer blue chip large caps or growth focused small caps, mutual funds offer a structure that's much harder to manipulate. So what is the final takeaway from this video? The Gensol BluSmart unraveling is more than a case study, it's a wake-up call. So don't be lured by glossy pitch decks, don't chase hype without asking hard questions, and start looking for substance over story. And if you don't have the time or expertise to spot these red flags yourself, then delegate. Let regulated, audited, transparent mutual funds do it for you. Because in investing, it's not just about finding winners, it's about avoiding disasters. So here's your mantra going forward. Discipline, data, doubt, or delegation. So choose smart, choose safe, choose sustainable. And if you want help building that kind of portfolio, talk to a certified financial planner who can make sure your money grows without losing sleep over the next Gensol. Did you find this video useful? Then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such smart financial tips in the future. Thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.